My name is Amanda Minke from Tucson, Arizona. I am a sophomore in high school, and my project title is An Engineered System for Filtering PB+2 Out of Water Using Chlorophyta Phase 2. My project is, I built a system that uses algae to filter lead out of water. Lead poisoning is not just a problem in third world countries, but also here in the U.S. Lead poisoning can cause brain damage and have many other side effects. To remove lead is a very expensive process and has much waste product.
These are the two designs from the concept drawing from last year. This is WAMF 1. Over here is WAMF 2. Engineering design changes that were made inside WAMF 1 include this 4-bolt pattern was now changed to a 12-bolt pattern in WAMF 2. The bottom plate, instead of being a single hole, was changed to a shower head pattern in order to keep the paper filter from ripping. The input and output ports were changed a little bit to increase flow.
This is the WAMF. WAMF stands for Wet Algae Mechanical Filter. This here is the plunger. If we twist this down, the water will come through the system. This port here is an air input-output port. This port here is the water input-output port. Here are the three plates. The middle one is where the algae is. There's not any algae in it today. The bottom part here is the nozzle, I guess. The last port has the shower head design that the first one didn't have, making the engineering design different. This here is obviously a pressure gauge. So the water goes in just like it's already been prepped. The handle's already been pulled up. The water goes in like this, and it goes all the way in through. It drains all the way down into the system.
Here is an algae filter loaded inside the WAMF. Instead of using a color test like last year, I put my samples on a UV vis machine. From this, I learned that the algae was filtering about 50% of the lead, which you can see in this drop here. The other 50% was not filtered because of the fact I was having algae in my sample, contaminating it. I used this peak right here, the one that is circled, to do an area under the peak equation to normalize the data in order to get a number.
My theory behind why this is working is that the sulfur inside the algae is bonding to the lead to create lead sulfide, and that's why the lead is no longer in my sample. In the future, I'd like to look into the chemistry behind the lead and the algae interaction, and also if different strands of algae will work better in this situation than the ones I'm using now.